In this video, I am going to provide you with an estimated price comparison for building materials from the year 2015 in the state of California to 2025. So again, these are estimated prices, and they will vary in different parts of the state. Different counties and different cities have different prices. And even though I'm showing you this part right here, I am going to remove some of these columns so that we can work our way more towards the percentages to provide you with what I would think, in my opinion, would be a little easier to digest the information with. And I will let you go through this. You can pause this at any time if you want to take a closer look at some of these numbers. And again, these are just estimated numbers. I was just curious how much building materials have gone up in the past few years, and figured that you might be also. And I've got to also point out that I have never seen anything like this, where we just don't have inflation. We have a variety of different things going on, including these new tariffs that could eventually double the prices we're looking at today. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.